Feeling lonely on Valentine's Day is a common experience. But instead of letting it bring you down, try viewing the day as a celebration of love and care for others. Rather than focusing on what you lack, focus on what you have and share love and appreciation with those around you. Take care of yourself by doing things that make you feel good and relaxed, such as getting a massage, going to a day spa, taking a hot bath or shower, doing meditation or breathing exercises, and listening to music while enjoying a drink. Engage in activities that bring you joy, such as drawing, painting, building something, or writing in a journal. Stay active by going for a walk, enjoying the outdoors in a park, going to the gym, or taking a fitness class. Get creative in the kitchen and prepare a delicious and inventive meal. Include your pets in the celebrations by participating in pet-friendly Valentine's events. Volunteer your time and service to support others in your community, which can boost your psychological well-being. Ultimately, you are the best judge of what matters to you, so focus on self-love and the love you have for others.